Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Toolbloom AI. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to build an app using Google AI Studio. This is a complete beginner friendly guide, and by the end you'll know exactly how to create your own AI powered app. So let's get started. First, go to Google AI Studio. This is the official platform where you can create and test your AI apps. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is a pretty simple step. I already sign in and create my account. Once you're logged in, click on Get Started. Here you'll see options for setting up your app. Google AI Studio gives you a simple interface to design, test, and connect your app with different AI models. Here you have to make sure that you are working in Gemini 2.5. Now, one of the most important things you need to make your app work is an API key, which is like a unique password that allows your app to communicate securely with Google's AI services. Without it, your app won't be able to send requests or get responses from the AI model. So make sure you generate and keep your API key safe. I've already created my API key. This step is essential because without the API key, your project will give you errors when you try to test or publish your app. So after connecting your API key, click on Build. Here you can add prompts and instructions for the AI, customize the responses, test everything directly inside Google AI Studio. I recommend starting with a simple test app. I want to show you the apps that I already created. Click on your apps. Here you can see the first app is a friendly chatbot named Nathaniel who answers general knowledge questions for all ages. Ask him anything from simple facts to complex topics and get clear engaging answers. And the next app is Simone, a kind-hearted and brave girl with the power to control time on a thrilling quest across the globe. Okay, write a prompt for your app here. I recommend you give as much details as possible because the more detailed your prompt is, the more accurate your app will be. As you can see, I give a prompt, build an app based on quiz format for the kids 10 years of age. There will be 5 subjects: English, science, geography, general knowledge, and math. Each subject has 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. Each level has 15 questions with 4 options in which one will be the correct answer. Show pictures relevant to questions. And then I click on run. As you can see, the my new app is as you can see it also give me some other options like add timer, question difficulty, feedback or high score, persistence, and sound effects and setting buttons. I go to geography and I choose easy. You can share your app, download your app and deploy your app here, and also you can make some changes or add new features over here. So that's how you create an app in Google AI Studio step by step with API key setup included. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to make more tutorials on Google AI, API keys, and app building. Thanks for watching.